Morning, everyone. I am your teacher in Mathematics 7. I am Rosario R. Balasote. I am going to discuss about linear equation in one variable. So, in our objectives, sa A po, content standards, the learner demonstrates understanding of key concepts of algebraic expressions, the properties of real numbers as applied in linear equations and inequalities in one variable. So sa specific objective, at the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to, number one, give an example of linear equation in one variable, and number two, find the solutions of linear equations in one variable using addition and subtraction property of equality. So our topic is linear equation in one variable. So letter A, reviewing previous lesson or presenting the new lesson. We have here examples that we are going to discuss. Example. So number one, we are going to write a mathematical equation for each sentence. Okay, letter A number increased by 7 is 25. You can write your answer on the board. Letter B, 11 diminished by a number is 53. Okay, who would like to answer? Thank you. Letter C, 5 times a number is 45. Next po, please answer, go to the board. And letter D, the quotient of a number is 8, is 121. Okay, thank you. Number 2, we have a question here that we are going to discuss. You and your 4 sisters have a booth in the school. The total income is equally shared by you and your 4 sisters, and each gets 200. Write an equation to find the total income. So we have here the equation. Total income or number of people is equal to share of each person. Can you find the answer? Okay, who would like to answer on the board? Good job. Letter B, establishing a purpose for the lesson. So, the students here will learn about finding solutions of equation using addition and subtraction property of equality. Letter C, presenting examples, instances of the new lesson. So here the teacher will explain the difference between the process of finding solution of equation using addition and subtraction property of equality. So number 1, addition property of equality. So x minus a is equals to b. X minus a plus a is equals to b plus a. Subtraction property of equality. X plus a is equals to b, where x plus a minus a is equals to b minus a. So here is a guide questions. The students are going to solve each question and then check the result. Number 1, x minus 7 is equals to 10. Number 2, a plus 6 is equals to 20. Number 3, n minus 8 is equals to 18. 4, y minus 12 is equals to 24. Number 2, the sum of two numbers is 25. One of the number is exceed by 11 to the other. Find the two numbers. Here is the solution. Let x be the first number. Let the second number be x plus 11. The sum of the two number is 25. Equation, x plus 11 is equals to 25. There are 2x plus 11 is equals to 25. So in here, you are going to add the inverse of positive 11, which is negative 11 in both sides. Okay, 2x plus 11 minus 11 is equals to 25 minus 11. So cancel yung positive 11 tsaka negative 11. The natira ay 2x is equals to 25 minus 11 is equals to 14. X is equals to 14 divided by 2. The value of x now is equals to 7. To check, we are going to use the original equation. X plus 11 is equals to 25, where x is equals to 7 plus 7 plus 11 is equals to 25. When you add 7, 7, 14 plus 11 is equals to 25, and that is correct. Letter F, developing mastery. We have board work. More examples given to be answered on the board. Letter G, finding practical application of concepts and skills in daily living. In what life situation can you relate the lesson? Cite an examples for this. It is used in architecture in determining the areas of square shape infrastructure to find about the amount of material to be used. It helps in the estimation and to find the total expenditure to build the building. So all financial sites depend indirectly on binomial theorem. In what life situation can you relate the lesson? Here is my example. Well, maybe in my opinion, I choose some words here from the table that is fit to the situation. So example, be kind, be honest, be successful, and be you, and so on. That is the words I choose from the box. So maybe, kailangan maging mabait ka, maging honest, para maging successful, and maging ikaw. And so on. Marami pang pwedeng mapulot dito sa table, but yan po yung pinili ko. Thank you. Okay, letter H, making generalization and abstractions about the lesson. Student recap what has been taught and learned. So number one, undo each operation performed on the variable by using the inverse operation. Number two, continue until the variable is isolated on one side of the equal sign. Number three, check your solution by substituting it in the original equation. I, evaluating learning. So number one, solve each question, then check your solution. Number one, x plus 5 is equals to 7. Number two, k minus 18 is equals to 32. Number three, t minus 10 is equals to 50. 4n plus 3 is equals to 19. 5m plus 12 is equals to 25. Number two, the sum of two consecutive multiples of 5 is 55. Find these multiples. Number three, a flower bed is in the shape of a triangle with one side twice the length of the shortest side. And the third side is 30 feet more than the length of the shortest side. Find the dimension if the perimeter is 100 feet. Solution number one, x plus 5 equals 7. The answer is the value of x is 2, correct. Number two, k minus 18 is equals to 32. The value of k is 50, and that is correct. Number three, t minus 10 is equals to 50. The value of t is 60, and you are correct. Number four, n plus 3 is equals to 19, or n is equals to 16. And you are correct. Number two, the first multiple of 5 be 5. Other multiple of 5 will be x plus 5. The sum is 55. Equation 1, x plus 5 is equals to 55. 2x plus 5 minus 5 is equals to 55 minus 5. Cancel yung positive negative 5. Natira ay 2x is equals to 50. X is equals to 50 divided by 2. The value of x is equals to 25. And that is correct. Number 3, x is equals to the shortest side. 2x is equals the length of the second side. X plus 30 is equals to the length of the third side. 102 feet is the dimension. Equation x plus 2x plus x plus 30 is equals to 102. 4x plus 30 minus 30 is equals to 102 minus 30. 4x is equals to 70, x is equals to 72 divided by 4, x is equals to 18, and that is correct. So letter J, additional activities for application or remediation. Student, answer this. Write 3 equations that can be solved by using the indicated property. Write your equations inside the box. So, addition property, tatlo po, tatlong equation. Subtraction property, tatlo rin po. Thank you. The last part is the remarks. So, So, meron tayong math games. Dalawa. Okay, game number one, the crazy ball games. I prepare a questionnaire for the game based on the topic that I discuss. Okay, let the students to answer their chosen questions. If the students answer it correctly, she or he will be given a reward by touching what score she deserved by her classmates. If the answer is correct, touch check. If it is wrong, touch X. All students will be given a chance to join in this game. The winner of the said game will be given 10 points. Thank you. Game number two. Try to arrange 4 9 in such a way that they equal to 100. You will be given 15 minutes to answer. Okay, sa mga nakakuha ng tamang sagot, ito po ang solution natin. 99 plus 9 divided by 9 is equals to 100. 99 plus 1 is equals to 100. Sino po ang nakakuha ng tamang sagot? Thank you. The one who got the correct answers will be given chocolate. Okay, thank you, dear students. See you again. Bye.